Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to insert page numbers in Excel. So for us to proceed, I have this random data right here and I'm going to be using this one. So what I'm going to do is head over to the view and then we're going to look for page layout. So once you do that, you should be able to see something like this. Now what you're going to do is click on the footer. So you can put this on any of the sides, say for example the left side, center, or even the right side. I'm going to choose center for now, and then we are going to look for the header and footer like this, and then click page number. So you're seeing something like this. Just go ahead and type here off, and then go ahead and click number of pages. So what happens is that if we are going to close this, you can see that now we have page 1 of 2, and then on the second page you should see 2 of 2. So if you have third, then that's gonna pop up here, fourth, fifth, and so on. So yeah, those are the ways in order for us to insert page numbers here in Excel.